Hello everyone. Good noon to everyone. Good noon. Audible?
Good morning,
Yes, you are
sir.
there.
Audible, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Let's hold for 2 to 3 minutes. Let everyone join. Then I will start the session. Okay. Sorry. In our morning session, we had discussed about different types of timing cycle in this kind of part. Okay. So let's discuss one more thing, one more example. Is there anyone having any kind of question in the morning session lecture? Any question, any doubt?
Sir, I have, sir.
Yes, yes, Ashish.
Sir, why we are only assigning three T cycles for higher order address and one T cycle for lower order address? I did not get why we are addressing like that. The assigning
Actually,
the T cycles. Yes, sir.
if we consider opcode fetch, then based upon the logical program, whatever is, whenever the processor was developed, they have come with the conclusion that they required a 4T state, okay, for the understanding, for the implementing of any of the opcode fetch. Then after, whatever the operation that they have to do, like memory read, memory write, or with the IO part or other part, they required a 3T state. So minimum that much time required for the process. So it's a scientifically proven method, and that's why we have keep this part a fixed one. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Because we have not to do any calculation like in the first second, you can say 33% of program is execute or like that. It's internal part, and as far as you are belong to the computer IT field students, so it's not required for you, because in that one otherwise you have to learn in the chip designing part how much nanosecond timing will be there and this kind of things. That's why. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let's understand one more example, and in this one we have to implement this one MVI B comma 05H. So in this one we have to transfer 05 in the register B. So if we look at the timing cycle in this one, it's consider it's drawn like this one, but it's okay, there is no problem. So in the first cycle, what happened? Entire opcode is going to fetch because it's MVI. Let me use a pointer. Yeah. So in the first T states, we are going to read opcode fetch. It's for this one. And then after memory part, so it's over here. As I told you, there are approximate 4 timing cycle T1, T2, T3 and T4 are going to use because it's for opcode fetch. For the memory part, again 3 T states are required, T1, T2 and T3. In the first of all, what things we have to draw? After identifying the opcode fetch and memory part, what is the name of this one? Anyone? What is name of first one? The cycle that we have drawn. First line. इसका नाम क्या है? What is name of this one?
Clock.
Yeah, it's
Clock,
clock.
sir.
Yeah. So I'm writing a short form. Okay, CLK clock. So clock pattern I have drawn. You can also draw as per our morning lecture. Yeah. So the clock I have drawn. Once it's ending, you have to make sure it's ended. Then the second T state, third, fourth, then again T1, T2, T3. Now, one thing that you need to remember is always give this is another name T1, T2, T3. Because it's for the memory read, it's first T step. For the memory read, it's second, and for this one, it's second. So this one is, you can say, one machine cycle. This one is another machine cycle. In this one, if I consider A18 and A15, it's written lower side. You can also make it in the upper side also. There is no issue. So what is first one? It's all about higher order data line. What you have to write it down? Higher order data line. No need to write down this 10. If you remember it, then it's okay. Otherwise, nobody will cut the marks because of you have not written the 10. Okay, it's hex code. No need to remember the hex code. Again, the last one is unspecified. It's fixed one. Again, 10 higher order address line. Then you have to draw the lower order address line. What you have to draw? Lower order. This is for AD0 to AD7 is lower order. In this one, for the MVIB, the data is fixed 06, but no need to remember that one. You have to just make this kind of tab, which represents that the operation is going to be ended here. Similarly, this is actually 00. What you have to draw over here? 01. This is what you have to remember. Because our process for the first machine cycle, it starts with 00. So for the next one, we have to write down 01. Understood? For the next one, it's 01. Now, what data we have to transfer? The data that we have to transfer is 05. So that's why I have written 05 here, because it comes under the category of memory read. Now, which operation we have to do? In this one, as you are aware that ALE is always active during which cycle? The first T state only. First only. Similar for second machine cycle also in the first one. For the rest of level, it's in the lower. For the rest of things, it's in the lower side. When a position on which the data available, for that one only, the read bar is activated, because it's like reading part, right? It's not like writing anything. So it's the read bar is activated only for that interval only on which data is available. Same stuff over here also. And it's bar, so whenever we consider 0 level, it's activated. I0 memory bar and S1 S0 for that one. As we are working with memory part, so I0 slash M bar is 0, S1 is 1, and S0 is also 1. For the opcode fetch, because it's opcode fetch, for the memory read, it's 1 here and 0 here. Understood, everyone? Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Is there any point in which you feel difficulty? Anyone? Feel free to ask me. Feel free to ask me. Everyone. Yeah. Actually, it's one kind of practice part, right? Everything is very easy, but you have to do one practice. Then it's look like very easy. Sudarshan, Yograj, Zaina, Rohit. Is it clear, David? Fatima, Genetu, Vikas. Is it clear? Yeah. Now the second program, the question asks like draw the timing diagram of given instruction like STA 2075. So this kind of question asked in the 7 marks. So in this one, STA let's consider available on the address 2065, and the data available on that one it's 42. So 42 that we have to transfer on this address. 42 we have to transfer on this address. This program is assigned here. 42 we have to transfer from the address 2065. What first of all we will do? We will initially do the opcode read part, or you can say opcode fetch part. Then after, as at here it's written like 32 hex code is there, but no need to remember the hex code. Again I am saying no need to remember hex code. Then what happened in the STA instruction? 65 will be there. It comes on the lower order because it's 65, right? And 20 is higher order. So 20 is comes on the higher order. Understood everyone this part? Is it clear to everyone?
Again, sir,
Okay, repeat.
this
Okay,
address part.
Yeah. Okay, let me erase all the things. Yeah. So in the question, it's written like STA 2065 means data of accumulator. Data of accumulator is transferred on this address. In our programming lab also we have already learned this one. So the data of accumulator is transferred on this address. So it's STA 2065. In the first line, what happened? It's work as opcode fetch part. It's understood the instruction part. For that one, this thing is happened. Now what is next part? Address. 65 is lower order address. 65 lower order. And what is higher order address? 20. 20 is higher order address. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Now let's apply this one. In this one, this instruction is 3 byte. However, it required 4 machine cycle and 13 T states. How? Let's apply it. So if I consider STA with code 32, which have hex code 32, no need to remember it. It's available on this address. It has a, you can say first machine cycle of 4 because it's understand a instruction. It's opcode fetch part. Opcode fetch part. Second part, let's apply that part one by one. In the first T state, we have to draw on a clock part. And higher order address line, unspecified, right? This is a fix. Currently, we are applying for the first part only. We are applying for the STA only. Okay? So one by one, step by step, we will implement this part. A8 to A0 we are applying. And what is there in the AD0 to 87? What is there in AD0 to 87? What is name of AD0 to 87? A8 to A15
Lower
is
order
high.
address.
Sir, it's loaded.
It's order,
Right.
lower or higher order.
Yeah, it's okay. It's a low order address part, and we have to give name 00 because it's first, right? So we have to give name 00. And ALE signal also fixed, available on the first cycle only. And what about IO memory bar, read bar? It's related to memory part, so it's 0. S1 and S0 also is 1 1 because it's opcode fetch part. What about read bar part? It depends upon the AD0 and AD7. It's available over here because it has a opcode like 32. No need to remember 32, just write down opcode over there. Is it clear about first part HTA?
Yes, sir.
Everyone? This is just we have applied HTA. Still we have not complete the part. This is what just we have applied HTA. Our program is HTA 2065. Yeah. MD Hassan, Nahom, Naol, Ravi, Ryan.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, clear.
Now second part we are applying. Now the diagram of first one we have already drawn. Now the second step that we are applying is memory read. So in the memory read part we consider the lower order address line and it comes under the machine cycle second. As it's 65 over here, 65. So I have considered the 65 here. Understood? 65 here. That is what I have transferred here. Let's draw the diagram of this one. Machine cycle 2 we are drawing right now. And at the end we will combine all the machine cycle. At the end we will combine all the machine cycle. In your examination, no need to draw individual. You can combine all the machine cycle, means in one diagram you can draw everything, okay? But at here I am representing every slide one by one. Again three states are there, T1, T2, T3. A2, A15 higher order address line. AD0, AD7 is lower order. ALE comes in the first cycle. Low order have name 01 here because 00 already considered in previous one. So 01 we have considered here because in previous one we have given 0 over 0. Again it's like memory read part. So I have memory bar 0, S1 and S0 as 10. It's memory read part. Read bar signal available here because data also available here. Data from the memory. What is data available? 65. Data available in the memory is 65. So 65 we have considered. Along with that, one additional part that we have added here is MEMR bar. So why we have considered this one? Anyone? Why I consider MEMR bar? Memory read bar. I have already explained that one in our previous lectures. Why I consider MEMR bar? Memory read bar. Anyone?
Reading from memory.
Because we have to identify the address on which we have to transfer data. So in short, we are reading memory part, right? So that's why we have considered MEMR, memory read bar. And 60 on we are reading the data 65 on the address. So it's 65 read over there. That's why. Now third one that we have to perform right now. Third machine cycle M3. It works with higher order address lines. So then the data that we have to transfer is 20 over here. So 20 comes here. The rest of things are same as it is. Okay. T1, T2, T3, clock cycle, address line, AD0, 7 to AD0, ALE signal, lower order. As this is third operation, but we have started with 00, 00, 01 and 02 over there. IO memory bar, it's 0, 1 and 0 because it's also memory read part. Read bar, memory read bar. What data comes here? In the box, which data comes here? In the box, which data comes there?
20.
Yeah, it's 20. Very good, excellent. It's 20. Really. Is it look easy or difficult? What is your opinion? Is it look easy or difficult? Anyone?
Easy.
Yeah,
Looking
it's easy. Yeah, it's easy if you know the concept. If you mock up, then it's not possible to understand, right? So it's easy if you understood the concept. That's why I'm explaining with very slower speed so that everyone can understand it. Now, so I have identified the data. Now the fourth part is we have to give data of accumulator to that address. We have to give, so address we have considered 2065, 265. Now in the third step, what we have to do? We have to do the memory write operation. So what, consider the data of accumulator is 42. In this question, the data of accumulator is not given. So you can consider any other data also. But at reference point of view, I have considered the data is 42. That 42 comes here. The rest of things are as it is. Same operation. But now one thing is changed. That change is, as we are providing a data of accumulator to the address, it is called as read or write. We are providing a data of accumulator to the memory. So it's a memory read, it's a read bar or write bar.
Right?
Yeah, it's write bar because we are apply some word over there on the address. So it's write bar. Again, 3T states, 3 cycle, higher order address line, ALE, lower order address lines, 65 is there. Again, memory write bar part. And as you can observe here, it's write bar. And it's memory write bar. MEMW bar, memory write bar. That is 42 because we have transferred 42 over there. Now let's look at one change here. Okay. Ultimately, from this program, what you can say, if I do the addition of all the T states, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 3, 13. So total 13 T states are required. And how many machine cycles are required? Total 4. Now the question can also be asked in the 1 mark or 2 mark, like how many T states are required for this instruction? How many machine cycles are required for this instruction? This kind of question can also be asked. Everyone please understood this part. Yeah, it's you have to remember the flow. Okay, ultimately it's easy, but it's matter of practice. Okay, Ravi, it's matter of practice. As we are getting more and more example, you will get more confidence. But don't forget to do the practice. Without practice, nobody can solve it. Yeah. So question can also be asked like this one. How many T states are there? How many machine cycles are there for this question? So this is what we have to solve, we have to apply. This is what we have solved, already solved. Now the next question is this one. STA526AH. And data of accumulator given also here is C7. The question is asked like, draw the timing diagram. Right, Assis. Correct. There is some changes there in upcoming part, but at that time I will inform you. If I inform you right now, then you will be confused. So right now consider that opcode have 4 T states and other have 3. Right. Yeah. So now in this one, let's say memory address. We have considered memory address, okay? So in the first of all, what we will understood, it's STA. It will read the content. Then after 6A part, 6A comes over here. Then the 52. 52 comes on the third line. And then after data part. So can everybody draw the diagram of this one? Can everybody draw the diagram of this one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So it's a
Yes,
task for everyone that draw the timing diagram for this question. Write down the question right now. I am creating one of the module in the canvas also that you have to draw on with your book and pen. Okay. With your book and pen you have to draw. No need to prepare a soft copy. You have to manually draw it. You all need to draw it right now and parallel. Okay, everyone take a screenshot of this slide first of all. Then after I will showcase a previous slide so that everyone can get the idea. Yeah, everyone take a screenshot of this slide.
Taken, sir.
Everyone, yeah. Everyone take a screenshot of this slide. Everyone, please do it right now. Lile, Mahima, Matthews, Sudarshan, Yograj, Sunny, take the screenshot, everyone. Then I will showcase a previous slide to everyone. Taken, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me share the previous screen so that you can get a better idea. Just a minute, let me share my screen. So currently I am sharing a screen of that previous program, which actually we have studied. Yeah. So the previous program screen I have shared to everyone. You can take a reference of this one. Okay. You have to draw the diagram of next one. It's look like this one. Okay. I'm just hiding again. STF 526A. Yeah. Everyone draw the diagram of this one and you have to upload in the canvas. You have to prepare a soft copy of that one and you need to upload in the canvas. Every activity is monitored. Okay. I26A. I26A. It's just a matter of 10 minutes. If you know the if you know the procedure, and it's a matter of just 10 minutes. So I have created one task in the canvas also. You have to upload it over there. Homework 6 I have created and you have to do it right now. Ashish, have you started? Abdul, Ashish?
Yes, sir. Doing, sir.
Okay. Abdul? Abdul Karim? Please reply. Ahmad Vikas, what about you, Ahmad and Vikas? Hello, Ahmad, Vikas, what about you? Daniel?
Doing, sir. Doing.
Yeah, yeah. David, Dereje, Eba? David, Dereje, Eba? What
Yes,
about
yes, sir. Yes.
Ebisa, Fatima, Genetu, what about you? Ebisa, Fatima, Genetu? Fatima, Genetu? It's very easy. Question is very easy. Just I have modified the value, nothing else. Ivan, Ali, Kencho, Lile. What about you? Ivan, Ali, Kencho, Lile. Yeah. Kencho, Ivan, Lile, Mahima, Matthews, Hassan. Mahima, Matthews, Hassan.
Yes, sir. Doing, sir.
Yeah. Mahima, Matthews, what about you? Everyone, please do it. Yogaraj, Jaina, Theodros. You have to combine three diagram. Okay, don't make separate. Make sure you combine three diagram, or sorry, four diagram, and draw on a single page. This practice is helpful during exam time also. If you practice this, then definitely it will be helpful for you. You will really get good marks with this kind of question asked. And it's 7 mark question. Just think about this one. If you draw it like this one, you will get directly 7 marks. And definitely you will, this kind of questions are there in your exam. Not this question, but this kind of questions are there. Everyone, please do the task. Still, you have 10 to 15 minutes. Do it without any doubt. Ask me the question if you have. How many of you do it? Complete it. How many of you have completed? Please acknowledge me. How? No, you have to draw one by one. Combined means one by one you have to draw it. No need to draw like separate. Understood, Matthews? On a one page, draw one by one on same sequence, same line. Don't draw all the timing diagram of machine cycle separate on different page. You tilt your page by 90 and then draw it.
Okay, sir.
Understood? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's like this one. It's like this one. Draw one by one like this one. Sequence, draw in sequence. It's easy. It's easy task. But just try it. If you forgot on your target, then definitely you get the success. If you think about problem, then you will never get success. Remember this point in your life. Don't think about problem in life. Always think about how can you get the better output. Then you will definitely get the success everywhere. So just try to apply the change, what you have to do. Then definitely you will come with this diagram, and you will really enjoy this session once you will get 7 marks. Please write down somewhere. If you know that by doing this kind of things you will get marks, then definitely it will be helpful. How many of you have completed this one? Please acknowledge in the chat box. It's just a matter of 10 minutes, but you have to draw in a proper manner. Don't do randomly. Yeah, how many of you have completed this one? Please write down. How many of you complete more than 60% of this question? More than 60%. How many of you complete 50% just? You have to draw in book and pen, then you have to upload. Okay, so how many of you complete 50% of question? Just 50% I'm talking about. I'm not talking about 100%. Okay, how many of you have just started? Yeah, now only 60%. Okay, very good, very good. Please do it, everyone. Please do it. Ask me the question if you have any kind of doubt. It's very easy. Just you have to change the value. Yeah, do it. If you do it, then you will identify that at where you are making a mistake. Because rather than understanding, if you draw it, then it's easy for you to analyze yourself. I keep this screen sharing. Meanwhile, I'm taking your attendance. Okay. And at the end of lecture, I will share the screen of this one. I keep the same screen sharing, and meanwhile I'm taking your attendance. Okay, please acknowledge me if you are present. Sachit, 94, 94, 97, Yograj, 103,
Present, sir.
117, Mahima, 119.
Sir, 117 present.
Okay, how much you have drawn, Mahima? Have you
Sir,
started or not?
yes, sir, I have started, sir, doing
By
40%.
okay, okay, you do it. Okay, yeah. 119, Tilahu, 120, Sangram, 123, Muhammad, 124, Kancho.
Yes, sir.
How much you have done, Kancho?
I doing.
You are doing.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 126, 126, 127, Vikas.
Yes, sir.
How much?
Sir, 50%, sir.
Okay, okay, do it fast. Okay, yeah. 131, 132. Now,
Yes, sir.
how much?
85%, sir.
Very good. 137, Sudarshan.
Yes, sir.
How much you have done, Sudarshan?
Sir, around 40.
Oh, just 40.
Yeah, sir.
Do it, okay.
Okay,
Big.
sir.
Yeah. 142, Daniel.
Yes, sir.
How much?
60.
Do it fast, please. 152, Bum. 153, Milan. 154.
Yes, sir.
How much you have done?
I'm doing. I don't know the person.
Do it fast, please. Yeah. 156, Lily. 157, Sampanna.
157 present, sir.
158,
Present, sir.
159,
Present, sir.
162,
Yes, sir.
163,
Present, sir.
164,
Present, sir. 164.
166,
Present, sir. 166.
167,
Present, sir.
168.
Present, sir.
Stay connected, don't leave the session, okay? You have to stay connected. Yeah, 156 I have marked.
168 present, sir.
Yeah, 169,
Present, sir.
170,
Yes, sir. 170.
171, Kamiru,
Present, sir.
172, 173,
Yes, sir.
174,
Yeah.
175,
Present, sir.
176,
Yes, sir.
177,
Present, sir.
179, 180, 181, 182, 183, 185,
Present, sir.
186,
Present, sir.
187, 188,
Present, sir.
189, 190,
Yes, sir, present.
191, 192,
192 present, sir. 192.
193,
193 present.
193,
193. Yes.
194,
Yes, sir. 194.
195, 197,
Yes, sir. 197.
198,
87.
199, 200, 201,
Yes, sir. 201.
just a minute. Meanwhile, I'm sharing a full screen of that question also so that you can compare your answer. 200, 201, 202, Rahim,
Yes, sir. Present.
204, Badar,
Present, sir.
207,
Yes, sir. Present.
208, 210,
Present, sir.
212, 213, 214. Is there anyone remaining?
195, sir.
One?
214, sir,
present.
195. Then next,
214, sir.
214.
Sir,
Yeah.
216.
216. Your number is not that here. You ask your faculty. Okay. Setu sir.
97.
97. Yeah.
Sir, 213 is present, but he's writing in the chat box. His mic is not working.
Okay, no problem. I have marked her number.
Sir, what about me?
Yeah. Number.
216.
You ask your class teacher for the same and ask them that your number is not visible. Okay, so he will guide you. Yeah, and let's discuss about this slide first. Yeah, just a minute. Don't leave the session.
Okay.
Stay connected. Yeah,
Excuse me, sir.
yeah.
187.
187.
187.
Yeah, just a minute. Okay, I have marked it.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Just a minute. Yeah, so in this question, as I have mentioned, we have to transfer a STA with the data C7 on this one. So if you look at first things, means upward phase. In this one, just we have to do on a 41 here because it's mentioned. If you don't write down, it's okay. There is no issue. Then the ALE signal as it is, it's available in all the cycle. Clock cycle is also everywhere. Then the AD 0 to AD 7. So I have written a lower order first. You can also mention a higher order first. There is no issue. So in this one, the data is mentioned. Then it's like 0 0, then 0 1, and like this one, it's mentioned. Similarly, at here, if you observe, the data that we have to transfer is C7 here. So I'm just highlighting a word which is required. So C7 you have to compulsory highlight. Other things it's okay if you will not highlight. The address of the first one, it's like a double F. It's okay, no need to write down. 32 also no need to write down. Then from this one you have to write down because it's 6A and 6A is mentioned here. And the address for the it's 00. The next is 01. And what is data for the next one? It's 52. So 52 we have written here. Okay. I'm again saying that if you not write down this apart from the circle, it's okay. Then the next cycle, ALE you have to draw everywhere. ALE. No need to mention this 41 everywhere. Okay, it's as we have considered memory address. If you make this kind of table, then it's good for you also. You have to highlight everything. Like if I write down 41FF, so it's 41 on the lower order. You can say higher order line and double F in the over here. Similarly at here 4200. So 42 here and 00 here. Okay. Then the 4201. So 42 here and the 01 here. 42 and 01. Everyone please focus this right now. Then the 52 6A, 526A. So 52 here and 6A here. So it's 526A. Then ALE is always comes in the first cycle. First machine cycle.
Excuse me.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, sir, the number I told you about, he write in the chat box.
Yeah. What is her number?
He wrote it. I told you it is
3213. Yeah.
213.
Yeah. I have marked.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Everyone, please focus here. Yeah. Please focus here. ALE comes in the first cycle only. So in every machine cycle, it is there. Then the read bar for the portion on which data available. So right now the data available on this cycle 32. So it's available here. Then the 64. Then the 52, like this one. Okay. And this is for my read bar. At where the write bar available. Write bar only comes in the last cycle because at here we are transferring data of address to the memory part. So only write bar is there in the last cycle. So it's bar only. Then the S1, S0 and IO memory bar. So obviously it's related to the IO part. So it's 0. Then opcode fetch. So it's 1, 1. Then the next cycle it's 0 for a memory part and 0, 1 because it's related to the read part. Again in the third machine cycle it's related to the memory read part, so it's 0, 0, 1. And again in the last machine cycle it's 0, 1, 0. Is it clear? Is it look easy or difficult? What is your observation? After understanding of the previous question, is it look easy or difficult? Or it's matter of practice? Everyone, Ravi, Abisa.
It is easy.
Yeah, it's easy and it's practice. It's all about practice, okay? So if you draw it correctly on the paper with your pen, then it's easy. Yeah, it's doing. That's why I insist you to do it right now. Because if you do it, then you will identify what you have to write down. But if I just telling you do and this and this, that thing, then it's easy. Yeah. So it's matter of practice, nothing else. And these questions are very important. Definitely, these kind of questions are there in 7 marks. So just think that if you draw just think this kind of diagram, then you will get this kind of mark, right? So it's a matter of practice, nothing else. Yeah. Okay, bye-bye. Take care and make sure you upload in the Canvas without fail. If you will not upload, then the marks is not going to consider. Yeah, okay. Bye-bye, everyone. Be safe.
Have a nice day, sir.
Bye-bye, sir. Thank you.
Okay, everyone.
Have a nice day, sir.
Okay, dear. Same to you. Enjoy the session.